What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be putting a new shifter in the Mustang. I had that Amazon shifter in there for about a year and it's just not working anymore. It doesn't like to go into fifth gear and it's just giving me problems. It loosens up all the time. So I decided to get a good unit because I actually want to fix up this car and make it nice. So the shifter I ended up getting was the Steeda Triax shifter. I got this on LMR. I think it's about $180, but it looks like a really good unit. I'm not really going to do a detailed installation just because LMR has a video on installing it. There's a whole bunch of other videos on YouTube of people installing shifters, so I'm just going to throw it on, maybe show a couple steps, but if you want the full detailed install, I'd just refer to their video. But it does come with this handle. I like the offset handle because it brings it closer to you, and it comes with some this little bushing or washer that goes over the top of the shifter. And apparently it's like one of the only shifters that has it, and it makes it so you don't have to modify your lower shift boot. That's not going to matter for me right now because my lower shift boot does not work. I don't have one, so I'm going to have to purchase one of those. But let's go over to the car and get to installing this thing. So if you guys haven't seen it, this is my 1988 Foxbody Mustang LX original 5.0 car. It is obviously a stick shift. We're installing a Steeda shifter, so it's a 5-speed manual. My plan for this thing is to really restore it and get it looking good again. It's got some dents here. It needs a new front fender. I need to get new headlights. I tried to fix them, clean them up, but that did nothing. Couple mods the car has. It has a Edelbrock Performer upper intake, 76mm throttle body, 355 rear gears, BBK long tube headers, BBK X pipe, and a Pipes M80 catback exhaust system, so it sounds pretty damn good. So this is the crazy shifter setup I have going on right now. It is a $50 Amazon shifter, and then the handle went straight up right here and it's way too far to reach, so my brother welded up and mocked up a shifter handle. Sometimes it'll just stay over on this right side like that and it doesn't even like go back to center. It's just really a piece of crap unit. It worked fine for a couple months, but it just really started failing on me. Okay, I got the lower shift boot off, and you can see mine is pretty toasted. I had to cut it out to fit this shifter in here. I don't have the little retaining clips on here, so I had to bring a bolt from the bottom of the car and then have a nut on top to screw it. So since I'm doing this alone, it's kind of be a pain in the butt to put that back on, but let's just get the shifter on right now. I'm going to take off this handle. Well, I got the bolts out, but this thing is sealed with RTV, and it is very difficult to remove, so I'm going to keep working on it. I've been smacking it with this hammer. I'm going to have to try to pry it off somehow, so we're going to try to do that. Got the shifter off, and you can smell that really good smell of automatic transmission fluid. But time to throw on this new unit. So hopefully it fits on there perfect. We'll see, but I'm going to scrape off all. Well, I got the shifter on. It wasn't too difficult. Just had to undo the 4 screws on the old shifter and put on the new one. Now, my lower shifter boot and the metal ring on it are completely toasted, and I lost all the clips that hold on the lower shifter boot, so I'm going to have to order those. So for now, we're just going to be rocking this. Once I get that new plate on, I'm going to put the center console back in and it'll be actually be looking good. But got the shifter, we got to add the last final touch. I got a Hurst shift knob, so we're going to throw this thing on there. Well, that's the final product. I think it will look a lot better once I have the shifter boot on there and the lower shifter boot. But I'm going to drive this thing around for a bit and I'll give you an update on what I think it feels like compared to a stock shifter and a really crappy Amazon one. Alright. We're going to do a little second gear pull. Feels nice. It feels really nice actually. I've been driving around the car for a little bit, and I can honestly say that it is a major improvement compared to that Amazon shifter I had. The shifts feel super good. The second to third shift is amazing. Has a really good return back to center, so hitting that third gear is really easy actually, and it's a lot better. It's super notoriously hard to hit third gear sometimes when you're going really fast or shifting really hard in a Foxbody, and this has helped me out a lot. I highly recommend this shifter. It is a little pricey, but it's worth it, honestly. It's something you're touching the entire time you're driving the car, so might as well get something that's actually quality. I think that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Enjoy. You guys have a good one.